In 2018, when we were traveling from Coimbatore to Rameswaram, it was 400 kilometer the road in the highways. And while traveling, we have seen that everywhere the dump of plastic waste. So the dump of plastic waste means these are the plastic bags you can see. Then this fruity or appy packets. Then multi-layered plastics, which is outside is plastic and inside is the aluminum foil. Then plastic bottles, and also we have seen huge quantum of this thermocol, which has been dumped across the road everywhere. So after reaching in Rameswaram, we saw that huge memorial of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and the right side I saw in the road that dump of plastic, this mountain. It was really pathetic. And then in that same day, we were in the Rameswaram in the evening, and next morning we went to Dhanuskodi, where we can see that the setu towards the bridge towards the Sri Lanka, and I was deeply praying for a solution. And in the next morning, which was on 31st of March in 2018, then suddenly that the glimpse of idea came completely in my mind, and the motivation came from that the plastic which I saw across that in the road, and then immediately I came and make the entire technology feasible. You can see these plastic bags which are using hardly half an hour to 1 hour and throwing it out. Also you can see this plastic bottle which we are using for again half an hour to 1 hour and throwing it in the ground. And if you consider the India's population, which is 1.35 billion population, which is 135 crores, and every day India is generating 26,000 tons of plastic waste, such a huge quantum of plastic waste. From Himalaya mountain to the Bay of Bengal, to the Indian Ocean, to the Arabian Sea. Every state is generating a huge quantum of plastic waste. So what we have done, from the plastic bag and from the plastic bottles, that we have successfully converted to pavement tiles. And you can see these pavement tiles. The life of the pavement tile will be more than 50 years, and this can take a load of 15 tons of compressive load under the 10 wheelers of truck, and once its life is over, we can recycle and make the next pavement out of it. So that the plastic bags which are throwing in half an hour time now a very useful product which will have a life more than 40 to 50 years. And also from these plastic bags and from the plastic bottles, we have also made successfully that ridge tiles and roof tiles. So these are much lighter in weight and longer durability, and costing of these roof tiles is lower than the conventional roof tile like the mud tiles or even the cement or concrete tiles or even aluminium or steel or even the tin set. And this particular pavement tiles will be costlier, lower than the concrete tiles, and having a longer durability, and consequently it will have a much effect for the society, and it will be creating huge employment opportunity that for this particular technology. This is multi-layered plastics. The outside is plastic, inside aluminum coating. Very difficult to recycle that one, but we know technology. And you will be seeing that every one of us, we are consuming different kinds of biscuits or potato chips or even kurkure or even the mixture, and we're throwing it out. From these multi-layered plastics, we have successfully made this kind of tabletop or the stool. You can see this particular product, that here you just put the 4 stand of aluminum or steel it can be useful as a table or stool, and we have already manufactured this. So there are two kinds of benefit. One is that it will be recycled completely, and the second thing is that once we make this product from this particular waste, it will be also minimizing deforestation, because whatever the products from the for the furniture like stool or maybe table or even the doors and windows are made by the wood. So it will be also creating green technology by minimizing deforestation. Then I am coming to another very important technology. These are the epoxy glass fiber, epoxy carbon fiber composite for the structural applications for aviation, even for the helicopters. And it won't melt. Very difficult to this technology we really have. So HAL, the helicopter manufacturer, the NAL, the aircraft manufacturers, they have given this product, the waste, to me, and that we have successfully converted to different products. So you can see such as so flexible, and therefore whatever the plastic waste, we have converted to many products, which is really economical, and it will be cleaning the environment, and consequently we really can foresee Clean India, Green India and Make in India mission successful. So from this technology, you can see all the products here from the waste plastics. 3 companies have been formed. RQ Plastics Private Limited in Coimbatore, and my two students, Akash Jayakumar and Ms. Kirtana Karunakaran. So they have formed the company. Another company has been formed by my another 3 students in Chennai, and that is called Vistram Solutions. And another company has been formed in Baroda, which is called Netaji Subhas Advanced Materials Limited. And this technology, these products, it is now going across the country for the Clean India mission. And also we are giving know-how technology to whoever is interested for the state government or central government, and we are giving know-how to them. And there's one company called Kekinag Industries Private Limited in Pune in Maharashtra. So they manufacture those thermocol products, recycling. So we are giving technology transfer to them, how to recycle the thermocol waste. And we are giving know-how to many states like in Punjab, Odisha, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh, to set up the recycling plant, so that there will be huge employment generation from this technology, and also it will be ultimately cleaning the country from the plastic waste free. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. So this we can see the Maja mango, then packet lassi, the milk, then the appy. These are called Tetra Paks. These Tetra Paks, we are simply drinking that fluid or the lassi or milk, and we are throwing it out in 2 or 5 minutes time. So from this Tetra Pak, we have converted that one to synthetic fiber. You can see the synthetic fiber here, and from the synthetic fiber we can make beautiful sofa cushion. It can be sofa cushion, it can be blanket, it can be even pillow, such as soft. That means the Kevin or this Tetra Pak, the Maja, or even the lassi packet, which is throwing in 2 minutes time, is a fantastic product like sofa cushion, such as soft. So it will have a huge economical value. Then I am coming to this particular product. Thermocol is using for the packaging industry, and for any flood. If you see in the cities like Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Ernakulam, Kochi, Chennai, wherever, or Hyderabad, this is creating the damage, choking the drains, also polluting the river and ocean. And this thermocol is using for the packaging, so we cannot really ban the thermocol. But from the thermocol that we have successfully converted to this product like automotive bumpers, it is having such a high strength. So this automotive bumper is highly useful. So therefore, the product which is the thermocol, throwing it out in just after the packaging, once it's over, now converted to a very useful product like automotive bumper. So again, this is called waste to wealth, and consequently, we really can feel that from this technology, India really can have more than 200 industries, and it will be creating employment for more than 10 lakhs. And then I'm coming to the next step for the multi-layered plastics, why it is so important, the third phase or the fourth phase of this technology.